Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm popping on to share a Happy Mail haul. I received these 3 packages in the mail today, so we're going to open them up and see what I have here. The first one is part of a Destash that I ordered from a planner friend. So let me get some scissors and dive into this. So, I think she sent me extra. I think, okay, so this was part of the Destash. This is, I think it's called Stardust from Simply Gilded. So, it's the pink with silver and holographic foil and the baby blue. I don't know what the actual names are. I don't get into all of that. I just saw that she was destashing them at a reasonable price. I like the colors, especially the pink. And I didn't have any of these, or whatever it's called. The Stardust. Is that what it's called? Stardust from Simply Gilded. I jumped on it, got those. And then she must have sent me these extras. She sent me this. Oh, I love it so much. She sent me this skinny washi. I don't know what the name of it is. It's red, green, and black with gold foil. It's got gold foil greenery and little hearts in between the greenery. Oh, I love it so much. And then she sent me this one. This is Cookie Sticker Co. I actually have one roll of washi from Cookie Sticker Co. And it's got like African scenery on it. It's really pretty. It's got paw prints. Looks like that's like a copper foil maybe. I could make things with this. I already have ideas of spreads for that. And then this one says Planner Girl, and it's pink with a coppery looking foil on it as well, and that's very pretty. It's light pink. I can't believe she sent so many extras. So these were the extras, and this was what she was destashing that I purchased. So, okay. And then she sent me Joy to the World. This is a Simply Gilded, just one of her journaling cards, and I'm pretty sure she sent it to me because it has buffalo plaid and she knows I love it. Oh, there's the note. Enjoy. I put in the tiny rolls because I had an extra. Oh gosh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I'm not gonna read the note, but she did send me a note with the card. But this is everything from that package, and I truly appreciate those extras. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna save that one for last. This one is from JDandBrooklyn. This is my order. I'm not sure what order this is. We'll see. It looks like right off the bat, I've got some extras and freebies in here. So there's this melanin, I guess this is a page marker. And it's got one of the big hair dolls on top right there. This is a sampler of some of the new big hair dolls, or the newer ones. Then this is something different. This is from rockyournotebook.com. So I guess this was part of a collab, or the 2 shops working together. These are really nice stickers though. I like the artwork. And then this one is from Blossom by Store, and these are holographic stickers, a sampler. This one is Gabriella Elena Designs, a foil sampler. This one is from Lulu's Daisies & Co. And then we get into my order, my actual order. These are the Wakanda die cuts that are available at JDandBrooklyn.com. If you want to go there and order you some, you can use my code Rachelle20 for 20% off your order. through December 31st. That's what they look like. I need to laminate them so that I can preserve them and nothing happens to them. Then I got this Christmas sampler. Xmas Hair Don't Care, Let's Get Lit, Merry AF, Let's Get Baked, Naughty or Nice, Stop Elfing Around, Jolly AF, Santa Is My Bestie, Gangster Rapper. These are cute. So I got those, and then I got this big hair Christmas doll and the deco around it. Some more big hair Christmas dolls and deco. Then just a big sweater and leggings, or sweatshirt and leggings big hair doll. That's considered the chill day outfit. Then this is big hair holding a journal. Then we have the Wakanda stickers. So these are the Women of Wakanda stickers. And then this is the deco stickers for Wakanda. I probably should have got more of these because I want more of the crossed arms. Wow, it's cute. Okay, so that's everything from JDandBrooklyn. Let me get my Wakanda dolls up. Got a package from PrintPressions. This is my first time ever ordering from there. Everybody was talking about this so much, and I decided to go ahead and treat myself for my birthday once again. So again, this is from PrintPressions. Ta-da! I got one of the Oops clear covers for the weeks, which is this. Oh, I didn't know it would have the logo on it, but it does. So while I have this here, I'm going to go ahead and test the Happy Planners Skinny Mini with it. We already know it fits in the Hobonichi Weeks cover. Let's see if these are even the same size. Yep, exactly the same size. So the only difference is the pocket on this one is wider than the pocket on this one. And someone asked me if this would fit in the front cover, and the answer is yes, it does. Fits in there just fine. So someone also asked me did I think it would work on classic disc, and I think it would. It might be a little snug, but you have a little play here, a little extra room, so I think it would work with the classic discs, but that is not what we're here for. Let's go on with the unboxing and Happy Mail share. So this fits in here, I'm sure. Yep. And there you have it. So you could do exactly what I did with the one for the Hobonichi. Do a hole, put in an eyelet, put your elastic on there for closure, and it fits perfectly. Now this is a Oops. So I don't know what the Oops was. I think it was something about an indent or a line or something, but it looks okay to me, and I wish I would have ordered more than one because I could use it for other things. But anyway, so, and then this was what I really ordered. It has 12 blank monthlies, 52 weeks on 2 pages. It measures 7 1/4 by 3.7 inches. I think it's probably the same size as the Hobonichi Weeks. I don't know. It's got a, ooh, I didn't know it was going to be a cloth cover. If I'd have known that, probably it was in the description and I didn't read it. But I would have got a darker color because I don't want it to get dirty. But I guess I'm going to put it in here. But I also want to compare it to the Hobonichi Weeks. So this is the Hobonichi Weeks 2019 version. So they are comparable in size. However, the PrintPressions is much thicker, which is probably because of a different quality of paper. It doesn't have like the thin paper that some people love and some people don't, that Hobonichi has. And it also has white paper, which is awesome. Not sure of the weight of the paper. It could be 32 pound. Again, I didn't pay that much attention to the description as far as paper weight. And it's perfect bound. It has a stitched binding. I don't know what type of binding this has. I'm thinking it's stitched as well. Let's see if we can get in there and look. I don't know, it might be glued. Nope, it's stitched. I can see the stitch marks. So it's a little stiff. And this is a little, let's see if that happens with this. So it's not made quite the same as the Hobonichi Weeks. Yeah, this is put together a little differently, but it still comes up a little bit. But yep, there you go. And this is what the weeklies look like. Oh, am I out of frame? Sorry. Okay, so this is what the monthly looks like. It's very light gray lines. And then this is the weekly with a grid, full box area, and then the header is just a header, blank empty header. And you can put your days of the week in. So, and then there's, let's see. So are all the months in the front? Yeah, it looks like all the months are in the front. And then all the weeks are in the back. You get 52 weeks. And then you get grid paper in the back. Several sheets of that. And then this is a good option for people that want something that is, and then there's their impression on the back cover. If you can see that. So this is a good option if you like the size of the Hobonichi Weeks, but you don't like the paper, or you don't like the layout style, or the color of the paper, or the price, because this is fairly pricey. This is a great alternative, and it does have the page marks with it as well. It's vertical instead of horizontal. Again, very close in size, comparable in size. So overall, I think the PrintPressions is a nice alternative. And I'm kind of glad I got one, and I'm kind of excited to play around with it. So let's slide it into the pocket. This fits in there real snug. So yes, this is a very budget-friendly option. I think this one was $19.99 plus shipping. They also have a B6 version. I did not get that one. I'm considering getting that one also and reviewing it. So that's it for my unboxing Happy Mail. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!